We, sisi tuko majuu, jamaa anaunda pesa huku msituni huku. We. Hebu kuja hapa, kuja.
Waachilie huyo aende zake.
Vipi?
Good morning, guys. This is Lucky Kazungu, passionate environmentalist, sustainability champion, and the founder of Lukanza Farms, a goat rearing project that specifically deals with buying, breeding, selling, and also doing consultancy on goat farming. And today I'm very happy and excited to have my friend in the farm and hosting him to learn about goat farming. So he's going to introduce himself, then we have a chat as he's going to share more about goat farming. So karibu sana.
Asante sana. Pleasure to be here.
Okay.
Sasa nimekutembelea hapa. Yeah, I just want to learn a few things about hii project. Actually, I'm very happy today. Very happy man today to learn more about this. So I am very now. I don't even know where to start, but I will just ask you some questions, okay, so that I can learn. So this is Lukanza Farm, huh?
Yes.
Lukanza Farm. So how or where did Lukanza Farm start? About how many goats?
Currently we are at 54 goats. After selling them, initially we had 108 goats, but then, as you all know, we are in December and it's the month of goat feasting, where most of our customers need goats for their parties, for their weddings, and also just there are those that need to chew goats to celebrate how the year has been, and I'm among them. So I rear them and I also do eat them. So to handle your question, Lukanza Farms started back in 2017, where we started with 2 goats. I used money that was paid to me after working for IEBC.
Oh, IEBC.
Yes, in 2017 there were
you were a clerk?
Yes, in 2017 there were general elections in Kenya, and I was selected, or I was contracted by IBC as a voters clerk. And after being paid I think it was 8,000 Kenya shillings that time, I used 6,000 to buy 2 goats, that is 2 female goats that were young ones, and
the journey started
initially by passion, by imitating what others are doing. So we grew from there, buying other goats, restocking, selling, and up to now we are at 108, though we have offloaded, and we are going to restock soon. But though most of the women are pregnant, and we are expecting them to restock back our stock.
Oh, great. So it is an 8 years journey.
Yes.
8 years journey to here.
Yeah.
God must say. So in every journey there are some challenges. So what are some of the challenges that you have here?
One, disease management. Pest and diseases. Pest and disease has been a very tough challenge to me, because initially I was not aware of the various goats diseases that were affecting them. So there was a time I lost about 12 goats, and that was one of the hardest time that I ever experienced as a goat farmer. So from that experience, now I had to consult qualified vet doctors, veterinary officers who now came through and advised me on the ways on disease management that includes timely deworming, timely vaccination, and also timely offering of various meals according to the various advices that we're going to be to receive from veterinary officers.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you talked of vaccines. Eh?
Yes, yes.
Now, is there like a schedule for the vaccine, or it's just once, or how is the schedule for the vaccines?
Okay, for us here at Lukanza Farms, what we do, we ensure we vaccinate and also deworm our goats after every 3 months. So we have set that schedule. But then, in case there are outbreaks of diseases, we usually call our vet officer, who has been working with us on part-time basis or on only when we need him. So we call him or contact him, then going to help us in vaccinating. And also, the vet officer usually give us updates on any outbreak of diseases from wherever out in our region. So in case there is any outbreak of diseases, the vet officer notifies us, then we ask for his recommendations. If there are any vaccinations that is urgently needed, we do it as soon as possible to ensure that we guard our investment.
So I've just been seeing you in the environmental clubs, moving here and there. So how do you manage the farm at the same time managing the other activities that you've been conducting all over the country? Okay, because I have known Lucky to be an environmentalist, moving with people here and there, teaching them on sustainable agriculture and conserving the environment. I never knew you had a project such as this.
Yeah, it's just about a matter of balancing things, because maybe I can share with you a secret. Currently, I'm handling 3 roles. One of them is being the environmental or the passionate environmentalist that I am. So that involves a lot of awareness and education in schools, community spaces, as well as being contracted by organizations to work as either environmental officer or in other capacities that serve the environment. Then the second role is being the founder of Go Green Guns Initiative, a youth-led organization empowering farmers to build their capacity against climate change through climate smart techniques. Then the other role is now being the founder of Lukanza Farms, where we breed the goats and all other activities related to the farm. So it's just a matter of balancing and also delegating roles, because I can't be all over at the same time. So at Lukanza Farms, we have a farm manager who caters or takes care of all the farm operations, then reports back to me in case there is anything that needs my assistance. But then also, I move at the farm or to the farm at least twice a month to ensure that I do monitor how the goats are doing, because usually mobile project management has made people to make losses. So I usually try as much as possible to minimize that, though it's there, but at least twice or thrice a month I must be at the farm to ensure that everything moves on smoothly.
Oh, thank you. Now, as I was coming to this place, I was even wondering, is this the right direction that I'm heading to? You see, the place is very bushy. There are no homestead here. Now, isn't that a challenge to you about the safety of these goats?
Okay, the good thing is that I have a very good, I'm lucky to have a very good farm manager who has loved this project and has taken it as his own. So he makes sure these goats are safe. That is first thing. The second thing is that he has some weapons there to ensure that in case there is any intruder, he confronts him directly. Another thing is that we used to have a dog that ensured that the safety of the goats are guaranteed. But though the dog died, and I'm looking forward to securing another dog to ensure that the security of the farm is guaranteed, to ensure that my investment is safe.
Okay, now back to these goats. Eh?
Okay.
This is an investment that you have done. Eh?
Yeah.
Now, how often do they give rise to younger ones? The heifers that you have said that they are pregnant now, they have inborns. So after how long do you expect it to give you a baby goat?
Okay, that's a good question. Now, goats are not called the heifer. Female goats are called doers, and the male goats are called bucks. So, with the right buck-to-doer ratio, expect to have at least 2 kids every year on average. But then, if you are lucky to have maybe twin butts, then expect to have at least 4 kids every year. So currently, this is a 3-month kid.
Okay. Hey, and it's very big. Eh?
Yeah. So this is a 3-month kid, and we're expecting that her mom, is a buck. So we're expecting that his mom is expectant, and he's going to be weaned and give birth to the next generation of kids. So we are in December, and we're expecting that by March or latest April, this guy is going to have a baby sister or a baby boy. A baby brother.
A baby brother.
Yes.
Okay. So per month, maybe what is your expecting income? The expected income per month?
Currently, we don't calculate the amount of money that we get, but coming early next year, we have set aside strategies to ensure that we take charge of every record or every coin that is spent in the farm, as well as take record of every coin that the farm produces, so that we can know the profit margin that we can make. But then, with the calculations that I've said, with the birthing rate, if you start with 1 goat, that is a female one, and get a male one at the beginning of the year, there is something in math called compound interest. So if you are lucky to have twin butts from that female goat, expect by the end of the year you have 4 kids. So 4 kids plus the fathers or the parents, that is the 2, you are likely to get 6. So if you bought the female at 4,000 and the male at 4,000, that is 8,000. That is the initial investment, 8,000. Plus the 4 kids, that is 4 each at 4,000, that is 16,000. So 16,000 plus 8,000, you'll have an investment of 24,000. So initially started with 8,000 at the beginning of the year, but at the end of the year, you'll have a total amount or worth of investment of 24,000. So you can calculate that, that you will have increased your wealth by 3 times. Yeah. So that is maybe 20, triple, or not triple, but you have doubled. It's an increase of 200%. Yeah.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure being with you.
We love visitors here, and it has been a nice time to have this conversation with you. So if you are out there and you are looking forward to start a goat farming project, we are here at Lukanza Farms. You are welcome to have a chat with us. Find us on all social media handles at Lukanza Farms, and we'll be glad to work with you in this journey of goat farming. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Karibu tena.